Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today, Tribe Beauty Box just arrived for February/March of 2022. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, the February/March for 2022 box just arrived. Tribe Beauty does send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be inside of this one. If you don't know, Tribe Beauty is a bi-monthly, so it's only 6 of them per year. You get one every other month. That's why this is February/March, because it's for 2 months at a time. I do like that because then you're not getting bombarded with a lot of makeup and a lot of just beauty products because it's only every other month. So when you open up the box, that is what it looks like. You do have your card right on top, and it will go over the items and give you the pricing, and there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and just start. It says, hello, beautiful. Here is what's in your Tribe Beauty Box, and it'll list everything. So let's just go with the first one I'm seeing, and that's right on top as well. And that is this palette. This is by Suva Beauty. This is the UV Primaries Hydra FX palette. There's 5 shades. It says Cake Makeup Palette, valued for $32.50. Oh, now I see what it means by primary. That's just straight primary colors. Let's get this open and see what it looks like on the inside. Again, this is valued for $32.50. That's what the packaging looks like, and that's what you have. Black, blue, red, yellow, and white. You have the primary colors right there. There is a little brush that's in here as well. There is a mirror that goes through the top of it, and then that is the colors. Ooh, whoa, whoa. The black just popped out. It's like, nope, bitch, you're not gonna use me. Hold on, let me try to push that back in here. Okay, so I'm not gonna hold it like that. I just won't do it as much. So it's obviously it's loose. It's gonna just fall right. Will it fall right back out again? Yes, it'll just fall right back out again. I was going to save this and put this in a future giveaway, but since that one is already falling out, I will go ahead and just swatch it so then you can see how primary these colors are. But this is the brush that is inside. It's a fine pointed brush. Okay, so this, maybe that now makes more sense on why there's this little tiny brush. This is not an eyeshadow palette. It says Cake Makeup Palette. I thought that was just the name of this particular palette. This says that it is for fine liners. Okay, so this is not for shadows. This is for liners. See, I don't know. I definitely don't know. I went to like swatch the white one. I'm like, what in the world? Like nothing was coming off my finger. I was like, I was confused, but I got it now. So let me read what the description here says while you look at the colors one more time. Hopefully the black doesn't pop out on me. UV Primaries Hydra FX palette includes Suva Beauty's signature fine liner brush and all of the colors for unlimited color creation. White matte, black matte, red UV, yellow UV, and blue UV. The compact full scope kit makes creating bold and daring looks easy and convenient. Use the colors individually or mix them together for effortless. And it didn't finish the words on the card. For effortless. So that definitely explains why there is a liner brush in here and not like a shadow brush. I thought this was an eyeshadow palette. So then we don't have an eyeshadow palette this month? Because we normally have an eyeshadow palette. So I guess not. So there's that. You have like it's just a Hydra FX palette. So I guess you can, I don't know really what this is all used for, but there's that. The next palette in here, it is by Gerard Cosmetics. That's what the packaging looks like. This is a face palette. So this one, when you open it up, there is a mirror right on the top, and then you have these 3 colors right there. This is valued for $39, and I guess it would have been in, there's 3 different colors: Grace, Marilyn, and Lucy. I thought maybe it was saying that there was a variation between the palettes, but they're all the same palette, but it's just talking about the 3 colors. You can use these for eyeshadows, as a blush topper, or for an intense cheekbone glow. So you have these 2 palettes for this month. This one right here, I will go ahead and pass down for a future giveaway because I don't really use blushes or highlighters, and I would rather this go to use. So I'll put this in my giveaway pile to pass down for one of you guys. So then the next thing I'm pulling out, it says Karma Co lip mask in vanilla. I love a good lip mask or a good lip balm or a lip butter, like some good something or other to put on your lips. I love that. So this right here is valued for $24, and that is what it looks like. It says this overnight lip mask is a leave-on intense hydrating lip mask that moisturizes for visibly smoother, subtle looking lips. Leave on overnight for maximum effect, or apply thoroughly throughout the day. I do smell vanilla. So that's a nice little scent just to put on your lips when you go to bed. So you put it on either throughout the day if you like, or you can put it on before you go to bed, sleep overnight, and it'll give you nice, soft, subtle lips by the morning. So that is really neat. I really like that. And again, that's valued for $24. I always have like several things kind of similar to this on my nightstand. So every night before I go to bed, I always put something on my lips. So that's where that will go. Okay, so there's 2 products by Eco London. One of them is a brow gel, and one is a travel skinny size liquid eyeliner. So let's go with this one first. It says raise a brow. Okay, so this one will have like the little wand, kind of like a really, really thin mascara wand that you use for your brows. I'm a creature of habit, and I only use one product on my brows. So I'm going to save this for one of you guys to enjoy. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to pass this down to one of you guys. But here is a brow gel, and it's supposed to be like a universal color to pretty much go with hopefully a lot of different colored eyebrows. It says our tinted brow booster is designed to style, shape, and care for your brows, adding a subtle wash of color and a light hold. So that's neat. This is valued for $12. And it says this universal tinted formula visibly improves the appearance of your eyebrows. With a nano brush and botanically enriched formula, this eyebrow gel effortlessly defines for a natural finish. So again, I will set that in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy. And then when in doubt, wing it out. So here is a travel size liquid eyeliner. So this one is the skinny. It has a small, precise little fine tip. I personally just do not use liquid liners, so I will definitely save this for one of you guys, but I hear this is a really good brand and a great product for sure. I always hear nothing but great things about Eco London's liquid liner. This is the travel size skinny. On here it says that it is valued for $12. It says this is the perfect brown liquid liner. It says liquid eyeliner black. It says brown in here twice. This is a perfect brown liquid eyeliner for anyone who wants to add a subtle and natural definition to their eyes. This warm brown liquid eyeliner glides onto the lid to create a perfect cat eye. So I'm not sure if we were supposed to get like a brown one, but this one here is definitely black. So I'm not sure if this is valued for $12, or if it is, then the $12 is the travel size. But this is black in color for sure. Now there's one item left in here, and it is a towel wrap. It's a microfiber hair towel wrap. And I've received quite a few different products like this throughout the few years I've been on YouTube, and I've always given them to you guys. The other day, I was actually literally putting my big old towel in my hair, and I'm like, I kind of wish I would have saved one of those little guys to see, because they're probably a lot lighter on my head, and it might actually make my hair dry quicker like it's supposed to. So I was actually going to start looking to purchase one. And here one comes. So I will actually hang on to this one and actually use this and see if it works or like how it works. But this says it shows right here, method 1, how you do everything with your hair. It's machine washable, do not bleach. And I think the color is really pretty. And this is what it looks like. So it has like a lavender color. So it's lavender and white. And then it does have the button here. So when you twist, I guess you button it or something. I don't know. Like I said, I've never used these before. So, oh, here we go. Yep. So once you twist it, you have this little loop-de-doo that you put around the button to hold everything together when it's on your head. So I'm actually really excited to try this guy out. And this right here says that it's the microfiber hair towel wrap valued for $24. Soft microfiber hair towel wrap will provide comfort during your post-shower routine and is gentle on your scalp and hair. How to use: place over your head, wrap hair with the microfiber towel, twist the microfiber towel with the hair inside, and then loop it over the button. Very, very simple, easy, and definitely self-explanatory. Especially you have a little step-by-step tutorial here on your how-to. So that is everything that came in the February/March box. So going over a quick recap, you have the hair wrap. You do have I don't know if it's going to be brown or black eyeliner, but you will have the brow gel. You have a lip mask. You have a face palette, like a highlighter blush situation, but you can use it as an eyeliner, it says. And then you have this primary colored palette that I'm still a little confused on, and I'm thinking it's just mainly eyeliner then, if I'm kind of figuring that one out. And the total retail box for everything added up for this box will be right here. This will be the grand total retail value for this box, and that is everything. All right, you guys, so that is all for this particular box. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What do you think of the items inside? I'm actually really thrown off on how there's not a real like eyeshadow palette in here. We always get some type of an eyeshadow palette generally. So it's throwing me off to see something that's a little different. But what do you guys think? Are you thrown off? Do you think there should have been an eyeshadow palette? Or do you like that it's a little different? You have a face palette with a like eyeliner type palette. Let me know down below. If you want a little bit more information about Tribe Beauty, I will let you know right about now. For this bi-monthly box, again, it's every other month, so 6 of them per year. You will receive a box of trendy to indie brands every 2 months. Get 5 full-size beauty products with a worth of $120 or more for $39.99 per box plus shipping. If you do go to a 3-month or a 6-month plan, you do save a little bit of money. So a 3-month plan would bring that box price down to $37.99, and 6 months will bring it down to $35.99. Tribe Beauty box is 100% female-owned company. Treat yourself to the best of indie beauty with the award-winning Tribe Beauty box. They also do have the lash scoop. So if you are one that likes to wear lashes, that might be one for you to check out if you would like. They also do sell lashes on their site with individual products. And I think they even had a little thing right now that said like so many products for so much money. Don't quote me on this, but I think it was like 6 for 70 something. And like you could literally pick 6 items through there for only 70 something dollars. So some of those really seem like that might be a good deal if you wanted to check that out. But they do have a shop on their website. Again, everything will be linked down below. Oh, and I do have a code Shecrafty for 10% off. But back to the lash scoop. If you want to just do lashes, that one, it says good lashes literally make everything better. Trust us to deliver the best lashes to complement your amazing makeup every month. Premium lash subscription, you get 5 different lashes delivered monthly for only $11.99 plus free shipping. That one is free shipping. If you do 11 months, it brings it down to $11.49. And if you go to 12 months, it brings it down to $11 a month for the 5 different lashes, the sets of lashes. So that is everything. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this box. What do you think about Tribe Beauty? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.